Ever feel like your 9 to 5 is a full-time relationship you never agreed to? Or maybe you are stuck refreshing job boards, hoping remote opportunity does not mean becoming a glorified spam bot. If you're in the US between 18 and 45 and you have ever Googled how to make money online from home at 2 a.m. with a tub of ice cream in one hand, you are in the right place. This video is not about selling your kidney, joining shady pyramid schemes, or taking surveys for pennies. We are talking about real, legitimate online income ideas that can help you pay off debt, fund your dreams, or finally afford extra guac without thinking twice. Stick around because each minute of this video gives you a new, tested method to earn money from home, and by the end, you will know exactly where to start and what fits you best. Let's dive in. First one is freelancing your skills, your paycheck. You do not need to be a tech wizard to freelance. Can you write, design, edit videos, do voiceovers, translate, or even type fast? Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you list your services and get paid from clients around the world. The beauty? You choose your hours, your rates, and your gigs. It is like online dating for work. Swipe left on lowballers. Start with something you are good at, even if it is just proofreading. Build a solid profile and deliver quality. Your first client could be the first domino in your digital income journey. Second one is selling digital products. Make it once, sell it forever. This is where passive meets profit. Think ebooks, Canva templates, Notion planners, stock photos, or printables. If you can create it once on your laptop, you can sell it forever on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Got a knack for design or organization? Use tools like Canva to create planners, social media templates, or aesthetic budgeting sheets. People love things that make their lives easier. And the best part? You make it once, and you can keep making money in your sleep. Yes, sleep, the most underrated business partner ever. Third one is affiliate marketing. Share and earn. Love recommending stuff? Why not get paid for it? Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product using your unique link, and when someone buys through it, you get a cut. No, you do not need a huge following. You can use blogs, YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or even Pinterest. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Impact Radius let you sign up and start right away. It is like telling your friend about that amazing air fryer, except now you get paid every time someone listens to you. Sweet, right? When is that online tutoring and coaching turn your knowledge into cash? Are you decent at math, fluent in another language, or know how to play guitar? Congrats, you are qualified. Websites like Preply, Wyzent, or even Teachable allow you to teach or coach others virtually from home in pajamas with coffee in hand. You can tutor school kids, teach English to adults in other countries, or coach people on productivity or business skills. All you need is knowledge, a stable internet connection, and a sprinkle of patience. Teaching is powerful because you are not just earning, you are changing someone's life. Fifth, and the last, is content creation. Build once, monetize forever. This one takes time, but oh boy, is it worth it. Starting a YouTube channel, podcast, blog, or TikTok account can eventually lead to ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate deals, and digital product sales. Start with what you are passionate about. Review tech, share finance tips, vlog your journey. Just keep showing up. The internet rewards consistency more than talent. Content creation is like planting a tree. It may take a while to grow, but once it does, it gives you shade, fruit, and maybe even that dream vacation. So let's recap. You have just discovered how to freelance your way to freedom, how to turn digital ideas into passive income, how to get paid just for recommending things you already use, how to teach what you know from your bedroom, and how to build an audience that eventually pays you. Here's the thing, there is no perfect method, but the right one is the one you start. Test, learn, pivot. You are not late, you are just getting started. Because making money online is not about luck, it is about leverage of your time, your skills, and your creativity. And if you are still here, that tells me something. You are serious, you are hungry, you are ready. Now that you know how to make money online, what if I told you there's a way to keep earning even when you're not working? Then wait for the next video in which I will tell you about some passive income ideas for 2025 ways to make money while you sleep, scroll, or sip your overpriced iced coffee. Smash that like button, subscribe for weekly smart money moves, and drop in the comments which method are you going to try first. Let's grow your income and your freedom. See you in the next one.